Are you struggling with learning vocabulary in a new language and finding it difficult to remember words during conversations? Do you want to improve your listening and speaking skills without relying on textbooks or flashcards? In this video, we'll show you an effective technique that will help you learn and remember new vocabulary while also improving your listening and speaking skills. This technique doesn't require you to focus on grammar rules or memorize word lists. Best of all, it will help you stop translating in your head all the time. There are 3 key principles to language learning. 1. Input, listening and reading. 2. Output, speaking and writing. And 3. Feedback, practicing and learning from mistakes. There are many ways to practice, but some strategies are more effective than others. Let's briefly review a few. Research shows that learning words in context, like in sentences or stories, is more effective than memorizing word lists or conjugation tables. Listening while you read is also a good technique, but it's important to find texts at your level with audio to listen to. Speaking with a language partner can help, but it's not always easy to find someone who will speak at your level, and many beginners feel stressed and embarrassed speaking under pressure. So what can you do to grow your vocabulary, improve your listening comprehension, and practice speaking and pronunciation? The technique involves listening, reading, and speaking all at the same time. At a slow, adjustable speed, with speech that pronounces words correctly, and texts that you mostly understand. It is also very important to visualize the story or text in your mind without translating into your native language. You need to form a mental connection with the words and phrasing while you listen, read, and speak out loud. To get started, choose one of our videos from the playlists, which are divided by level: beginner, A1, A2, and intermediate, B1, B2. Listen while you read and speak out loud, all at the same time. Use YouTube settings to slow the playback speed to 0.5 or 0.75 if you need to. It's better to go slow at first so you're pronouncing words and phrases correctly. If the content is too difficult, turn on YouTube's closed caption, CC, and click Settings, Subtitles, Auto Translate and choose your native language, but try not to use it unless you really need to. Lastly, review the attached PDF below of the most relevant vocabulary in each story, but don't memorize the list. Instead, use it to practice saying the words out loud in a sentence or story. This technique will increase your vocabulary, improve your ability to understand the flow of the language, grammar, and improve your ability to articulate what you want to say without translating it in your head. Repeat videos as needed to reinforce the practice, be patient with yourself, and avoid judging your performance. This is a journey, and we're happy you're taking it with us. If you like this method, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below about your experience.